Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you today, and I want to say thank you. So thank you. Thank you to all of our subscribers who have tuned in, checked out, liked the Eric's Garage AZ YouTube channel enough to subscribe. We are shooting for a huge, monumental milestone goal within YouTube, and that is to hit 1,000. It's 1,000 subscribers, and we're shooting for that goal within 30 days. Now, right now we have about 300 subscribers, just shy of 300 subscribers, and we need your help to help us hit that monumental goal of 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for everything you've done. If you know of somebody else who may like this content, please encourage them to check it out and subscribe to the channel. And we're doing this so we can continue to bring you really cool content from really cool places and events throughout the country. We've got a few ideas we're working on right now of creating some even more exciting content, ride-alongs, things of this nature. But in the meantime, thank you so much again. And like we say in Eric's Garage AZ land, drive like you stole it, bitches. Thanks, guys. Peace. If you guys are looking for quality and diverse content, we have got quality and diverse content. We go to local car shows. We go to national car shows. We go to SEMA. We go to drag races. We do whatever it takes to bring you, our viewers, quality content that you come to expect on Eric's Garage AZ YouTube channel.